Good morning, everyone. I'm Andrew. I don't want to work anymore. And here on my channel, I'm trading the NASDAQ, and I've been using the first presented fair value gap by ICT. And we're going to get right into the charts today. No wasting any time. Today is Tuesday, March 25th. It is 6:25 in the morning on the West Coast. New York session will open in 5 minutes. We're on TradingView right now. We're going to pick up yesterday's closing price over here at 20,370, and we're going to go into CMC markets. I am not affiliated. It's just the platform that I use, and we're going to spread this over a little bit. 20,370 is what I said. And we're going to mark that right now on the chart. 20,370. Okay. That is our opening range. We are in a premium. We can expect to trade down into this area before continuing up, or we can go up and take out these highs and then continue lower and fill this spot in, or we can just not fill it in at all, and that is fine too, but we'll see what happens. So let's go back to TradingView. We are on regular trading hours here on the lower right hand corner. We're going to switch that to electronic trading hours. 1 minute chart, NASDAQ June contract now, and we're going to pick up, well, let's pick up the low of London here, which is 20,292. 20,292. Okay. And we're going to get that on our chart. 292. It's right about there. Don't have to be exact. But wow. Oh my God. Wow. That is way down there. We got some relatively equal lows here. Yeah, cool, interesting. And then obviously this is going to be a London high. Let's see, it's not even a London high. Which highs do we got here? We got that high. Let's try a 15-minute chart. And what day is this? March 7th high. We can mark that out just for fun. 20,501. 20,501. It's not too far from where we're at, so we'll put it on there. 20,501. Somewhere about there. Okay. So we got a couple ranges here to look at. Keep in mind as we start trading this morning, but it won't matter. We're just going to trade the first presented fair value gap, and that's the strategy. And the strategy is profitable with a winning percentage of 54.95% over 91 trades. 50 wins, 41 losses, 1,900 points in profit. Average points per day is 20 points per day. I have another strategy that I've been working on, but I only have 59 trades worth of data. I got 25 wins, 34 losses, 3,648 points, a 42% win-loss ratio, and 61 points per day. So subscribe, like this video. I might release how you can achieve these numbers, and I did some other testing and I was able to get 129 points per day. So yeah, give me a like, give me a follow, and maybe I'll share how I achieved this. Okay, market just opened right here, and looks like we are going to the downside with this big fair value gap here. And but we will wait for the first one after $9.30. But we have to keep this one in account, I think. 426 plus 5 points for a stop loss. 426 is, sorry guys, it's early. What's the math here? 431 should do it. You know what? I'm taking that trade. That is not the model. I'm going to close that, actually. That's not how we do things. We will wait for the first presented fair value gap after 9:30. Even if that means I'm going to take a loss on this first gap here. There might not even be a gap here. So we will wait. We will be patient. I do expect lower prices, but you know, yesterday I thought the same thing and I was totally wrong. So we're just gonna trade the first gap as it comes. And no gap yet to speak of. So don't be crazy. Had a really great workout this morning, so a little jacked up. I really do like this gap and rejecting off of it though. With us trading so high up into it, it almost seems like a low risk trade if I had my stop loss set, you know, somewhere above here. It's only a 10 point, it's only a risk of 10 points. But we will wait. Right, our opening price is always purple. That's just what I do. We have been trading up for, it seems like days. And we got this huge gap here from Sunday. Closing price Friday to Sunday. It's basically what I'm looking at there. I was trying to fill this gap in yesterday. That's what I thought we'd do in the morning, but we just like totally ran away from it. Kind of went flat and consolidated all evening after we made our highs yesterday. And yeah, it might be time to go lower today. Got a little bit of consolidation happening this morning. Got these equal lows here. What else we got? Equal lows down here. As ICT says, buy side. Okay, we're gonna get ready now. I think we're gonna start moving lower. No? Sure we are. Yeah, we're gonna have a gap form on this candle here. Come on, 10 more seconds. No, doesn't look like we are. Oh, here we go. We are waiting for this. This is our first gap after 9:30. This one was just before. It was a nice big one. I really wanted to act on this, and looks like it would have been a decent idea, but you never know what the market's going to do on the open, so you just got to be patient and wait. And I think we got a long ways to go down today. We had a huge rally yesterday, and I think we got to give some of that back. Ten seconds. 4 seconds. I'm in. A couple seconds early. Okay. My stop loss is 32 points, which means 45, right? 32 times 1.5 is 48 points. I can modify that. We want to stay below this. You know, looks like we've already worked that 70%, 75% of that opening range. This doesn't look good for us. We need to start pushing down off of this. This is not looking good for us today. Closing above this first gap is going to be bad. I don't like how even this candle opened up inside of it. Not looking good. Really not good. Just getting further and further away from our target. But that's trading. We'll just get ready to enter the next trade. It's about 30.91. 6. If we get stopped out, we'll be looking for a buy. Stopped out. Yeah, I think we're still looking for higher prices. I just think we're working inside this first gap that I really wanted to trade off of that I ended up canceling. We might still just respect this guy. But we are ready to trade again. So we've gone long now. So we lost our first trade, but now I'm looking at this gap that is starting to close up on me. I acted too hastily here. Oh yeah, 100% too fast. And now I'm going to pay the price for that, which means I'm going to close my trade now. I didn't wait for this gap to form. I wonder if my first entry would have been good, the one that I canceled. What is this? Whoops. Right, trade from chart. Going short again. Just like my original here was 426, would have been 31. 31. Oh boy, look at this candle. Jesus. Okay. My original entry was good when this candle made that fair value gap before 3:30, sorry, 9:30. That would have been a good entry. It would have been safe. Now we have a 55-point stop loss. So 55 times 1.5 equals 82.5 for profit. 82. Puts us down there at the these equal lows, and this is also the 20,350. 20,350. What was that? Go back to the 1 minute chart here. 350. Those are just those equal lows there. Again, not being patient and waiting for this candle to close. I would have got a way better entry here. What is this? 20,373, and I could have got in somewhere in the 90s. 20-point difference from a decent entry. And now I'm in drawdown, but that's why I'm recording this, so I can look back and see all the terrible mistakes that I'm making, and publicly. And yeah, trying to become a better trader and stick to my rules. Totally got excited today. Really excited about, you know, the numbers that I've been back testing, and, you know, all these wins and the points I can accumulate. So just unfortunate that I can't stick to my plan, but I believe we're going lower today. I might want to bring this take profit up, but I think we got a pretty bad day ahead of us. 20,394. Yeah, what do you think? 350 point drop today on the NASDAQ. Is it possible? I think it's possible. We just need Trump to say something dumb and get everyone riled up. So we'll see what happens here. I'm starting to move lower. This is looking better for us. So once the second fair value gap is done forming, we can bring down our stop loss. And we can trail it down. See what the markets are doing. Mixed reviews. Okay. Palantir down. MicroStrategy, well, Misty. This is the income play by Yield Max, MSTY. Down just a little bit. Cooper Standard still going up. Comstop, you know, down 9 cents, no big deal. Baba's down. Albemarle's going up. Intel's going up. Advanced Auto Parts coming down Generac, XRP. I think I'm gonna get rid of XRP. I don't know. We'll hold on to it. It's not doing anything. I've been holding on it for like a month. How are we looking over here? We're looking good. That's how we're looking. I was watching an ICT's latest video. His analysis of where we're going in the market does not sound good. So this retracement here, he says we're not even close to the bottom, which sucks for my stock portfolio and obviously anyone else that has some stocks. So, which is good. We can put some money to work. Where's our daily chart? Here we go. Actually, let's go to a different one. This one's gonna be better. So we just bounced off of, this fair value gap. And yeah, we're probably, can we go all the way down here? I hope not, but this is that August sell-off, and you can see how we got some retracements in here before we came back up. We really don't have much here to talk about at all, except maybe this one. So yeah, I could see what he's saying. We could go lower, maybe make a double bottom here or somewhere down in here. So more pain to follow. And then we got this trade that's just giving me a whole bunch of pain. I'd like you to roll over, please, so I can move my stop loss down. I am going to move my stop loss just a little bit. Kind of like here. That's it though. That first presented fair value gap is right here. I feel like I just moved my stop prematurely again. Yeah, we're just making really bad decisions today. It's crazy. That gap also stacks on top of this one. Actually, sorry, it shares the same low. It's wild. I moved my stop back up. I don't think I'm gonna post this video since I'm just being a terrible trader today. We filled the gap entirely, and now we're just gonna go up, and maybe we're gonna go for this high now. Yeah, I'm not happy about the drawdown today, guys. I think I would have lost anyway. I'm gonna draw out this first one up here. Well, we don't know how this is going to pan out, but it's basically 7 o'clock, and you know, are we going to sweep my high or my stop loss before heading lower, or are we going to just roll over from here and have a good day? We won't know, but I gotta go. You guys have a great day, and we will catch you tomorrow. Don't trade like this. This is bad trading. Have a good one.